Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been thinking about buying your first drone or upgrading to an affordable 4K camera drone, the DJI Mini 4K is easily one of the best options available today. It combines impressive image quality, intelligent flight features, and beginner-friendly controls in a lightweight package. One of the biggest advantages is its weight of under 249 grams. This makes it incredibly portable and, in many regions, simplifies regulations compared to heavier drones. You can easily pack it in your backpack and take it almost anywhere. The star of the show is the 4K UHD camera, capable of capturing stunning videos with excellent detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're filming vacations, landscapes, family events, or creating YouTube content, the footage looks sharp and professional. Pause. To keep every shot smooth, DJI includes a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Even when flying in windy conditions, the gimbal stabilizes the camera to reduce shake and deliver cinematic-looking videos that stand out from smartphone footage. Another impressive feature is the 10km HD video transmission. This provides a reliable live video feed with low latency, giving you confidence while exploring wide-open spaces. Battery life is also excellent, offering up to 31 minutes of flight time on a full charge. That gives you plenty of time to capture multiple scenes without constantly landing to swap batteries. The DJI Mini 4K also includes intelligent flight modes, making it easy for beginners to capture professional-looking shots with just a few taps. Safety features like auto return to home automatically bring the drone back if the battery gets low or the signal is lost, giving you extra peace of mind. Pause. The only downside is that advanced obstacle avoidance isn't included like on DJI's premium models. So beginners should still fly carefully, especially around trees and buildings. Overall, if you want a lightweight, reliable, and easy-to-fly drone with true 4K recording, long battery life, and DJI's trusted flight technology, the DJI Mini 4K is one of the best value camera drones you can buy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews. I'll see you in the next video.